Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the clean screen function for your OSI Alarm System Gen 2 4G. The clean screen function temporarily deactivates the touchscreen for 1 minute, allowing you to clean the display screen without accidentally pressing any buttons. Okay, I'll show you where this button is located. On the main screen, select the settings icon. Enter your passcode. At the top right, you will see the clean screen icon, and just select it. You will then get a warning that keys will be deactivated for 1 minute. Press OK and the screen will go black. The best way to clean the alarm LCD screen is by using a dry, slightly damp microfiber cloth to gently remove dust, oils, fingerprints without scratching the surface. And then after 1 minute, the screen will come back on. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it. You'll find links in the description to more videos like this one so you can get the most out of your OSI alarm system. Also, if you want that extra layer of protection and peace of mind, upgrade your OSI Alarm System Gen 2 and switch to 24/7 alarm monitoring anytime. Available in North America. Check the description for links and for more information to view plans and subscribe. Or head to osigodirect.com and tap monitoring in the main menu.